so we're heading out to the site now, and we're going to try this little pathway through the fields into Swanage, everybody. We'll let you know how far it is once we get into Swanage itself, but as you see, it's a little walk through the fields. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little arrival video vlog which we just done, everybody. Do tell me what you think, good, bad, indifferent, what you think about the site, would you come here or not, and yeah, be interesting to know. Well, as you can see, we're just skirting through the fields. We've literally been 2 or 3 minutes at the moment, so the gentleman in reception did say it's about a 15-minute walk. Right, so we're coming to the end now. That's literally about a third of a mile, everybody, and now I think we've hit the main road. Right, so as you can see, we're just taking the road into Swanage. Right, we're just coming up to the promenade and the beachfront, hopefully. We're about exactly, or just over a mile, about 20 minutes walk from the campsite. So not too bad, it's pretty well flat, everybody, so it's easy doable. Well, the first thing that strikes me is the lovely blue waters again. So we're going to do a little bit of exploring along here, check out the beaches which are not dog restricted. Well, you can see the promenade that way, that is all closed off to traffic. Lots of people on the beach today, being a hot day. Looks like there's a little bit of a pier over in front, so we just need to see where we can go and where we can't go. Right, come here, Sky, sorry.
That's okay.
Alright, just have a little wander down here, check out the views, everybody. I'll just look along. So there's the beach. Now, Swanage. You've got the cliffs in the distance. I must admit, it's busier than I thought it would be for a weekday. There's the other side. Just everybody enjoying themselves. Right. I'm looking for people with dogs on the beach. That'll give me an indication. I think we're going to go further this way today, and then we'll go towards the pier tomorrow. Right, well, that is definitely a no-no at this end, so we've probably got to head right along. Well, if I have been here, I don't remember it. It's been a long, long time ago. Right, we're still looking for an area which we can go on. Unfortunately, nothing yet. No dogs there as well. Well, we could be in luck coming up. I can see a dog on the beach along here, so hopefully we're going to be okay soon. So that's at least another 0.4 of a mile in along this promenade to the non-dog restricted area, everybody. It's over near the Ocean Bay. Right, so we're going on this Ocean Bay beach now. Please clean up after your dogs. It does say dogs on lead and that. So let's have a little playtime with Sky. Lovely clean beach, sandy. can you see, we're actually walking a nice little way just to find a beach for Sky. Hopefully she'll drop the ball soon for us. We'll just have a look along. Oh, she probably won't get that. Come on. Water almost crystal clear. Right, so we're coming up to another dog restricted area now, so this is the last section we can go down. Well, it's not so hot as the other parts of the country today. It's showing 23 this afternoon. We're not throwing the ball that too far because she won't go and get it. She won't. She's a bit frightened of the waves. She didn't used to be. She used to jump in the waves, but getting older, 10 now. Right, so that could be our last time on the beach with Sky. We just got told by the beach cafe owner that every section along here is dog restricted, and that's we done wrong getting on where we did, so don't follow my example, everybody. We basically said once you get past the last groin at the end here, that is as far as you can go, and that, so that's it everybody, so that's our little beach walk with Sky. Swanage. We'll just continue the little walk along, and that, well, as you can see, every little section along here, no dogs. That's a bit of a shame for us dog owners. Well, I think now it's a little bit quieter. Probably time to send that drone up for a little fly. Right, so we're heading back now. We'll probably explore the far end of Swanage another day and that, and see if we can get down on the beach somewhere else, everybody. At least we had a sneaky dog walk without being caught. Right, so we're just taking in all these beach huts and the views on the way back. We just had a drone flight at the end of the walk we did. We're going to see if we can get another one. Well, it's a nice little position if we can. Well, there was some dogs on this section. There is one further along, so I'm not too sure, everybody, if this is the only section this end you can put a dog on. We'll say we just kept going a bit further because I thought the dog restrictions were over. Well, I must admit the other end of Swanage looks more interesting to us. I do believe there's the Coast Guard's place over there and another small lighthouse possibly, and you've got the little pier what juts out, so I think that's where we're going to head in future. You've seen the promenade, you've seen the beach now, everybody, so I think we've done that. Right, we'll come a little bit higher up now. We're going to try and get some more drone footage over the bay, over the beach and that, so just trying to find a little quiet spot. Right, so we're going to head back now. We're going to see if we can take a quick look where the railway station is, because if we catch the train tomorrow or Wednesday, we might just do the full run from Swanage rather than the little junction you can pick up from the campsite. Right, so we're going to end the prom walk here and take a right back towards where it says railway and the campsite, and we'll save that end of Swanage for another day, everybody. Along that way it looks like you've got Peveril Point, Durlston Country Park, Stone Quay, Prince Albert Gardens, the pier, the Downs, Museum, Heritage Centre, Mole End Theatre and cinema, everybody. Right, so I believe this is the railway station, so we found that for tomorrow or the next day. We need to come here. We'll just see what the routine is and how much the tickets are. I believe it's £20 an adult. Times July the 1st tomorrow, green. So we've got 10 o'clock or 10:03 from Hurston, request to stop. Alright. Full line tickets, Hurston to Swanage. Right, so while we're here, we'll just have a quick look at the train station. As I say, we've got the option to come here in the morning at 10 o'clock or 10:03 Hurston. And basically just put our arm out. Well, we're just walking alongside the road back towards the campsite and this lovely little spot with a view of the station. It does look rather splendid. You've got a Pullman observation car there, fully glazed. How lovely would it to be to sit in that. Tomorrow's service starts at 10 or 10:03 from Hurston Holt, and that is £22 for the full line, which we get off at Corfe Castle, £3.50 for the dog as well. So we're looking at short £26 for a little day out. Corfe Castle is National Trust, which we have rejoined again. So Yeah, we're looking to do that either Tuesday or Wednesday. Well, as I say, we're just wandering along the road near the train station, and we've got these lovely views of the engines. There's Eddystone, the steam one. You got BRML Eastleigh Works, and you got the 257 Squadron behind it, a little signal box, and some more views back over the bridge. Right, so we're heading back to the campsite now. We're going to take this little gateway before these industrial buildings, and it's just about a third of a mile from here, everybody, and we'll do our little conclusion. Well, that's it, everybody. Hope you enjoyed our little Monday afternoon walk. Didn't quite go to plan as I thought it would do. I did think there'd be more areas on the beach for dogs. As you see, we did go on that little section. I think we just went too far, and then luckily one of the cafe owners come and told us. He said you shouldn't be on the beach, so we got off before the council would have come to us and told us off. So thanks again. So thanks for me, and thanks from Sky, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.